Hi, today we have this bright and fun fanny pack. It's great. It has one zipper here with mesh dividers, as well as a discreet pocket in the back for those important items you want to hide. It's pretty spacious. You could put your wallet in here, your cell phone, and again, if you want to put your keys or something more that you don't want to lose in the back, you can do that as well. This fanny pack is water resistant, small and discreet, so you could take it to the gym, to the market. You can just hang it around your waist so that you don't have to worry about carrying it around. Also great for walks. If you want to take a walk or you're going into work and want something discreet that you could hide behind your blouse or your jacket, you can go ahead and put it away and nobody will see it. Comes in a variety of colors. This is a beautiful bright orange one, but you can get it in different colors.